Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 8 Pencil and Eraser from Art and Activity Skill Book. Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book fast. Take out your white and green color book. You know what are these? What are these? This is pencil and this is eraser. This is pencil and this is eraser. All of you are using this pencil and eraser now? Yes. Now take out your crayons. Take out your crayons. Fast. First of all, take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color and start doing with me. Do it neatly and slowly. Neatly and slowly. All of you are doing very good. Do it neatly and slowly. All of you finish this fast. Finish this box fast. Up and down, right, left. Complete it fast. Now, take out your red color. Take out your red color. Take out it fast and let's start doing with me. Up and down, down, up. All of you are enjoying? Do it neatly and fill the gaps. Do it neatly and fill the gaps. Complete it. Now, take out your green color, light green color. Take out your light green color and start doing with me. Up and down, up and down. Do it neatly and quickly. Then this. Up and down. All of you have completed this. Okay, now we will take blue color. We will take blue color, light blue color. We will take light blue color. Take out your light blue color and start doing with me. And another light blue color and eraser. and eraser. Start doing. Neatly and slowly. Now, which one is left? This. Take out your brown color. Take out your brown color. I don't have brown color. That's why I'm using orange. But you have to take your brown color. Okay? Take out your brown color and start doing with me. I don't have brown color. That's why I'm taking orange. Neatly and slowly. Now take out your black color. Take out your black color. Complete it fast. This is pencil and this is eraser. This is pencil and this is eraser. I hope you all are enjoyed. Happy learning. See you in the next class.